ሄሎ እንዴት ናችሁ? ሁሉ ሰላም። ዛሬ የምናየው ኤግዛምፕሎችን በወርክ ደን ኦን ቴርሞዳይናሚክ ፕሮሰስ ስር የተለያዩ ኤግዛምፕሎችን እናያለን። ኩዌስችን ነምበር 1 a gas expands from 0.4 centimeter cube to 0.6 centimeter cube and pressure 20 k pascal to 40 k pascal. Okay? ስለዚህ ከ20 ኪሎ ፓስካል ወደ 40 ኪሎ ፓስካል ማን ፕሬሸሩ ማለት። ስለዚህ ፕሬሸሩ ቼንጅ አድርጓል ማለት the graph looks like this ግራፉ ይሄን ይመስላል። ኦኬ this is 0.4 ቮሊዩሙ ማለት ኦኬ this is 0.6 this is V P is 20k to 40k ፓስካል ነው ኬ ፓስካል። ስለዚህ ይህን ይመስላል ማለት ነው ግራፉ። ኦኬ ግራፉ ይህን ይመስላል። so what is the work done? Work done is area under pressure and volume። ስለዚህ በሁለት ሜትር ተጠቅመን ይህንን ማግኘት። let me show you method 1 method 1 method 1 ምንድን ነው የምናደርገው? የመጀመሪያው let's say this is area 1 and area 2 area 1 and area 2 ስለዚህ area 1 is W is equals to area 1 plus area 2 ሬክታንግል ነው አይደለ? ሬክታንግል ስለሆነ 0 ይሄኛው 0.6 minus 0.4 0.6 minus 0.4 ቤዙ ነው ሃይቱ 20 ነው። ስለዚህ 20 ሬክታንግል ነው ይሄኛው ሬክታንግል ስለሆነ ምንድነው የምናደርገው ታይምስ 20 ፕላስ ይሄኛው ራይት አንግል ትሪያንግል ነው 1/2 BH ቤዙ አሁንም 0.6 minus 0.4 times 20 እንቀንሰው ማለት ነው። ሃይቱ 40 ሲቀነስ 20 ስለሆነ 20 this is equals to 0.6 minus 0.4 is equal to 0.2 0.2 times 20 plus 1/2 0.2 times 20 times 20 this is equals to 4 plus this is 10 times 2 is 2 plus 2 which is equals to 6k joule. This is method 1 6k joule ይመጣል ማለት። what's method 2? method 2 ደግሞ እሱንም እዚህ ጋር ላሳያችሁ። method 2 is simply work done is P average times change in V ማለት ነው። P average P1 plus P2 over 2 ብለናል times V2 minus V1 this is 20 plus 40 over 2 times V2 is 0.6 minus 0.4 this is 60 30 ይመጣል 30 times 0.2 this is equals to 3 times 2 which is 6 kilojoule 6 kilojoule ይመጣል። this is example 1 example 2 in a cylinder 2 mole of an ideal gas monatomic gas initially at 1 times 10 the power of 6 pascal and 300k expands until its volume is double. Until volume is double. compute the work done if the expansion is and isobaric, isothermal, adiabatic. Working. Let's see for isobaric process. Therefore, A እንበልና ይሄኛውን let's say A change in work done is equals to P change in V. ይሄን አለ። Then from PV is equals to gas ideal gas equation nRT አለ። ስለዚህ V1 is equals to nRT over P ማለት ነው። nRT over P. Then n is what? 2 more. 2 times 8.31 times temperature 300 divided by 1 times 10 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 6. ይሄኛው 4986 over what? 1 and 2 3 4 5 6 ይሆናል አይደል? then ይሄን ስናካፍል V1 እናገኛለን which is 0.004986. okay approximately 4.9 times 10 to the power of -3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው. this is V1. then V2 is V1 ይሄ ከሆነ ደብል ማድረግ ነው ይሄኛው ደብል ብናደርገው ማለት ነው። then in approximately ይሄ ማለት ስንት ነው? 5 times 10 the power of -3 ማለት ነው approximately 4.9. then V1 is equals to 5 times 10 the power of -3 meter cube ከሆነ V2 is double ስላለ 2 times V1 which is 10 times 10 the power of -3 or 1 times 10 the power of negative or ይሄኛውን ልውሰድ እንዳለ 10 times the power of -3. okay now this substitutes ብናደርግ change in W work done is equals to P change in V. Then P into V2 minus V1 ማለት P1 is 1 times 10 the power of 5 into V2 10 times 10 the power of -3 minus 5 times 10 the power of -3. This is equal to 1 times 10 the power of okay this is 6. This 6 this is ስንቀንሰው 5 times 10 the power of -3. This is equals to 5 times 10 the power of +3. This is +3 ማለት ነው joule. This is change in work done. This is for what? Isobaric line for isobaric. Okay, B for isothermal. ምናለን for isothermal work done is equals to nRT ln of what? V2 over V1. V2 over V1. This is equals to N is 2 mole times 8.31 temperature 300 ln of V2 V2 ማለት V2 is 2 times V1. 2V1 over V1 is equals to ይሄኛውን ደግሞ ስንል 2 times 8.31 times 300 ln of 2. What's ln of 2? ln of 2 is 0.69. 0.69 times 300 times 8.31 times 2 ስናባዛ 344 0.34 joule. This is work done under what? Isothermal ሲሆን work doneአችን ይሄን ይሆናል። work doneአችን ይሄን ይሆናል። Okay, this is C. This is B. Then C adiabatic line. What's work done for adiabatic? Then C is equals to change in work done is equals to 3 over 2 nRT. Then from P1 V1 gamma P2 V2 gamma ምን አለን? P2 is equals to P1 into V2 over okay, P2 is V1 over V2 the power of gamma. The power of gamma. P1 is 1 times 10 the power of 6 into this is 5 times 10 the power of negative 3 then 5 ይሄኛውም negative 10 ስለሆነ over 10 ለምን V1 is 5 times 10 the power of negative 3 V2 is 10 times 10 the power of negative 3 ስለነበረ ይሄን በዚህ ማጣፋት 5 over 10 ይመጣል what is the gamma for monatomic ከሆነ this is 5 over 3 ማለት 5 over 3 this is 10 the power of 6 into 0.5 this is 5 over 3 equal to this ስናባዛው የምናገኘው 3 times 10 the power of 5 Pascal is P2 this is P2 then from P1 ሌላኛው P1 V1 gamma minus 1 is equals to T2 V2 gamma minus 1 ምናለን P2 is equals to P1 into V1 over V2 gamma minus 1 gamma 5 over 3 ይሄ ማለት 5 over 3 minus 1 is equals to 2 over 3 ይመጣል T2 is equals to 300 K አለን into 0.5 አግኝተናል 2 over 3 is equals to approximately 189 K ይመጣል then now let's substitute ብናደርግ የምናገኘው substitute ብናደርግ adiabatic ላይ adiabatic work done is change W is equals to 3 over 2 N R change in T አለ 3 over 2 2 times this is 8.31 P1 minus P2 is 3 over 2 into okay 2 በቱ ይጣፋል እዚህ ጋር then 3 ይቀራል therefore 3 into 8.31 this is 300 minus 189 አሁን ያገኘነው finally 2764 joule is work done under adiabatic process adiabatic process work done ነው ይሄን ይመጣል question number 3 question number 3 question number 3 a certain gas obeys the relation pressure is equals to 25 plus 2V calculate the work done by the gas as it expands from V2 to V1 2 meter per second meter cube 2 ይሄ ማለት let's say this is P this is okay 2 meter cube to 2 4 meter cube expand አደረገ ወርክ ደም ምንድነው የሚሆነው we do have እንደተለመደው ሁለት ሜትዶችን መጠቀም እንችላለን የመጀመሪያው ሜትድ let's say method 1 ምንድነው ማድረገው work done is equals to V1 to V2 expand ያደረገው PdV is equals to ይሄ እንደዚህ V1 to V2 is what is P 25 plus 2V is dV okay this is constant number no constant number derivate ሲደረግ with respect to V is equals to 25V ሆኖ ይመጣል 25V plus ይሄ 2V1 okay integration of x ማለት this is x 1 plus 1 over 1 plus is x square over 2 ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይህም v square ስለሆነ 2v square over 2 ማለት ነው። from v12 to v2 v12 to v2 2 በቱ ይጣፋል 2 በቱ ይጣፋል ዘን የሚቀረኝ ማን ነው? and okay ይህም በዚህ ፎርም መጻፍ እንችላለን። work done is equals to 25v plus v square from v1 to v2 አሁን v2 ሰብስቲት ማድረግ እንችላለን። ይህ ማለት ደግሞ ምንድነው? 25 v2 plus v2 square minus 25 v1 plus v1 square ማለት ነው። ኢንተግሬት ስናደርግ ይሄ ነው። this is equal to 25 into v2 is 4 plus 4 አሁንም 4 square minus 25 times 2 plus 2 the whole square. This is equal to 100 plus 60 minus 50 plus 4 54 then w is equals to ይህን ስንደምር 116 minus 54 ማለት ነው። this is equals to 62 joule 62 joule. This is the first method. So second method ምንድነው የሚሆነው? second method ያው ግራፋችን ምንድነው? ይሄን ይመስላል። graph looks like this. The graph let's say this is P1 to P2 P1 and P2 ይሄ ማለት ነው። this is 2 ከዛ ወደ 4 ማለት ነው። this is P2 this is P2 this is P2 okay ይሄኛውን ላጥፋው ነው። therefore let's calculate for P1 is equals to 25 plus 2 times V1 ማለት ነው 25 plus 2 times V1 is 2 25 plus 4 is 29 V2 is equals to 25 plus 2 times V2 is 25 plus this is 4 8 ይሆናል this is 33 ማለት ነው 33 Pascal. Therefore, P1 is 29 from 29 to 33 expand ያደረገው ማለት ነው። Therefore, work done is equals to area 1 plus area 2. Then area 1 is equals to let's say this is area 1. Then this is area 2. Let's say area 1 and area 2. Area 1 is right angle triangle. Therefore, 1 over 2 BH plus BH 1 over 2 into bezu 4 minus 2 2 H is 29 plus 2 times this is 33 minus 29 33 minus 29 is 33 4 yeah this is 4 this is 4 yes 4 this is 2 by 2 29 okay height is equals to okay yes 9 plus 8 this is equals to 37 oh this is base. Okay, no, this is base times height ማለት ይሄ height okay sorry እንደገና አለፈ እንትና ነው this is equal to what is base is equals to 1/2 base is 2 and height this is height 33 minus 29 is 4 plus this is 2 times 29 2 by 2 is equals to 4 plus 58 which is 60 joule. This is another method. አንደኛው ሜተድ ይሄኛው ነው 62 joule. Okay. Question number 4 is this one. Question number 4. A sample gas is expanded to 100 twice its original volume. Twice its original. Okay. Of 1 meter cube in a quasi-static process. Quasi-static process means slowly decrease የሚያደርግ ማለት ነው expand የሚያደርግ process for which p is equals to alpha times v with alpha is 5 times 10 to the power of 5 newton power of 5. How much work was done by the expanding gas? Okay. የመጀመሪያው ሜትድ አሁንም ይሄን በምንድነው የምናደርገው let's say work done is we know that work done is equals to p average times change in v ይሄን አለ this is p1 plus p2 over 2 times v2 minus v1 v2 minus v1 p1 is alpha v1 alpha v1 is equals to plus alpha v2 over 2 ለምን is equals to ምን ብሏል is equals to alpha times v ስላለ p1 ማለት alpha v1 p2 ማለት alpha v2 ማለት ከዛ ነው እዛ ጋር ሰብስቲቱት v2 twice ስላለ 2 minus 1 okay 2 minus 1 this is 1 v1 is 1 ስለዚህ ማን ይቀራል alpha this is 2 2v ስላለ 2 alpha over 2 times 1 therefore w is equals to 3 alpha over 2 times 1 is 3 alpha 3 over 2 times 5 times 10 to the power of 5 ማለት this is equal to 50 here 50 over 2 times 10 to the power of 5 this is equals to 7.5 times 10 to the power of 5 ማለት ያው የናሽናል ኤግዛም ስለነበረ 0.75 ሜጋ ጁል ምን ቾይዙ ላይ አለ በዚህ ጋር ማግኘት ይችላልላችሁ ማለት ነው ሜትድ 2 ኦኬ ሜትድ 2 ላይ ምንድነው የምናደርገው ኢንተግሬት በማድረግ ማግኘት ሜትድ 2 is simply work done is equals to work done is the integration of pdv ማለት ነው pdv then integration p ማለት alpha v dv alpha v dv ስለሆነ this is equals to alpha v integrate ስናደርግ v square over 2 v1 to 2 v2 ይሆናል equals to ይሄን ደግሞ ኢንተግሬት አድርገን እዚህ ጋር v2 ብተካ alpha v2 square over 2 minus alpha v1 square over 2 ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት ደግሞ ምንድነው alpha over 2 is constant alpha over 2 into v2 square minus v1 square then alpha then substitute ብናደርግ v2 is 2 times v1 ስለሆነ v2 is v times therefore work done is equals to ከዚህ ጋር v2 ቦታ ማንን መተካት እችላለሁ v2 is 2 times v1 and therefore v2 is 2 ነው then v1 is 1 ማለት ነው therefore alpha over 2 into 2 square minus 1 square this is 5 times 10 to the power of 5 over 2 into 4 minus 1 5 over 2 times 10 to the power of 5 times 3 15 ይባዛ 10 to the power of 5 over 2 is አሁንም ስንት ይመጣል 7.5 times 10 to the power of 5 which is 0.75 mega joule ማለት ነው ይስማል ስለነበረን ጊዜ እናመሰግናለን መልካም ጊዜ ባይ